Good morning, everyone. My name's Steve Lawler. I'm a project manager for SOLitude Lake Management, and today we're in Monterey, California, where we're performing some stormwater basin renovation for the city of Monterey. I'm at Washerwoman Storm Basin at the moment, and we're removing sediment and vegetation from this pond. And so far we've removed approximately 200 yards of vegetation, cattails and tules, which we've hauled off to the local landfill. And we have removed upwards of 1,000 yards of sediment and gravel and dirt that has washed into this basin from upstream. As you can see over here, we have, let me flip this camera around, we have a large amount of sediment being contained here on the property. Very small area to work, so it's very tight. We're using some pretty sophisticated equipment, but also unique to this industry. This unit is called a Maruca. It's a dump truck that we can take out into marshy areas and move material. We have a large excavator and a skidster over here to move the material when we're up on the shore. But more importantly, we have the Aquamog, the beast. And you can see Victor Viveris, our operator, coming towards me right now. The Aquamog is a unique piece of equipment. It is able to operate in very shallow water, approximately 2 feet, up to very deep water. It can work in a small pond. It can work in a large waterway. And as you can see, he's coming in right now with a load of excellent looking gravel and sediment, dumping it here in our holding spot, and he'll keep going back and forth all day on this unit. He's able to remove about 150 yards a day with this piece of equipment, so it's quite effective. This is a clamshell bucket on it right now. It also has attachments such as rototillers and weed cutters that we can do all sorts of different work with it. Very, very, very exciting piece of equipment to watch work. It gets a lot of attention from the local people as they drive by, children especially, and to be honest, I still get excited every time I see it work. Victor's heading back out now. This pond has a huge amount of sediment buildup in it, so by us coming in and removing this, it increases the capacity for stormwater to prevent flooding, and also in other lake situations to improve the habitat for fish and wildlife. It's very, very low impact on the ecology of the area. We can be very, very gentle on the in and out of it. It runs on vegetable hydraulic fluid, which is safe for the environment if we have a breakdown or something like that. No discharge of material. I hope you all are enjoying this as much as we are here. We provide this service for homeowners, for municipalities, for businesses, and if you have any needs for any dredging work or sediment removal, vegetation removal, the SOLitude Aquamog is the piece of equipment you want to use. Everybody have a great day. Please feel free to reach out and contact us at our website, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you. And I had one question here before I sign off. I was asked where the material went after we dump it here. The material's brought back up here, piled up in these great large piles, and then we bring in large dump trucks, super dumps, to off-haul it. We load it with this excavator, and the material's hauled off to the local landfill where it can be disposed of safely. This material was all tested also by soils engineers to make sure it has no harmful pollutants in it, so it's safe for the dumps to take and dispose of and not have any toxic problems. Everybody have a great day, and again, reach out and contact us if you have any questions. We're more than happy to answer them and also to provide the services that we provide. Have a great day. Thanks again.